Installing a processor and heat sink. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Make sure the handle on the carrier is in the closed position. Align the processor on the new carrier so that the triangular marks align, and then insert the marked end of the processor into the carrier. Hold the inserted end of the processor in place, and then push the unmarked end of the carrier down and away from the processor. Press the processor and secure the sides under the clips on the carrier. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should contain about 0.1 milliliter of thermal grease. Align the triangular mark on the heatsink label with the triangular mark on the processor carrier and processor. Install the heatsink onto the processor carrier. Press the carrier into place until the clips at all 4 corners engage. Align the triangular mark and 4 Torx T30 nuts on the PHM with the triangular mark and threaded posts on the processor socket, and then insert the PHM into the processor socket. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fully fasten the Torx T30 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. If you replaced a front PHM, reinstall the front air baffle and the front top cover. If you replaced a rear PHM, reinstall the rear air baffle, all the PCIe risers, the crossbar, the rear top cover, and the front top cover.